Hey guys, this is Russ Dollinger from Science Glen. I'm in my kitchen cooking up some stuff. This is a brand new model I came up with called the Ionic Bond Disc Model. So when I was teaching students chemistry, they had terrible trouble understanding what ionic compounds were and so on. So I don't know what you remember. Do you remember the formula, for example, let's say of sodium fluoride? How about it? Do you remember that? Sodium's got a charge of +1, fluoride's got a charge of -1. So what will be the formula for sodium fluoride? Well, it's NaF. Well, students have trouble with that, and I bet you might have as well. Okay, so what I did is I came up with these things. Now, it'll be backwards because of the screen, but let's say that's a sodium, and it's got a plus charge there, and I have a fluoride, and it's got a minus charge, and guess what? They stick together, so the formula is NaF. That makes it so simple, right? So now let's say, on the other hand, you have barium fluoride. Well, barium loses 2 electrons, so it's got a +2 charge. So it's going to take 2 fluorides. So the formula is BaF2. Don't you wish chemistry was that simple? It is. With the right tools, chemistry is so easy. All right, now, these are in production right now. They're going to be in our hands in early May. And for people who pre-order now, we're going to give you a 20% discount and other goodies as well. So go to scienceglen.com for more information. Thank you so much. I can't wait to help you, really.